You can take those too if you want. But... Oh, we live?
We live.
Spider. Yo, what's up, guys? Coming to you live. Welcome to a new day, new project. It's gonna be a fun one. We got a lot of big trees we're putting in over here up in Cherry Hill. Gonna bring out the dingo today. Put that work in. Come take a look. We got some. We got 8 horn beams. They're like 10 feet tall at this point. 30-inch root balls, so they're pretty big. We got some American pillar arborvitaes. They're like 15 feet tall. We got 10 of those.
Yeah.
We got one smaller magnolia. I forget what it's called, the variant of it, or whatever the variety. But come on. This is for our house. This is yours. We're about to transform this place. So this backside over here, we're gonna do like all kind of modern vibes. So boxwoods, some hydrangeas throughout all the way to the grill. Oh, look at Benji.
Got the dingo.
We got this brand spanking new blue diamond auger that's gonna help us dig these holes today. Picked it up yesterday. Shout out to Premier. All right, so we have a 65-foot bed. We're gonna go 4 feet wide all the way down, and then we're gonna kind of widen it out for some trees at the ends. We're gonna take the sock cutter and we're basically gonna cut the lawn, or we're gonna cut the lawn out, put our trees in. So stay tuned, let's ride this wave.
Wavegang. What's up, guys? Sorry about the delay. Of course, we picked the busiest street. It was a bunch of big trucks and electrical, plumbing, a bunch of stuff going on, so our camera just died out on us. But we left off, you see me mulching, so got a little bit of the front done. Almost done with this whole front, and then all we got is the back. Little progress, you know, it's coming along. Like I said, we got stopped by a bunch of utility trucks and stuff like that down the street, so we had to move a lot of our trucks and trailers. Ken is out right now picking up the last batch of plants we need. Of course, we're not going to leave it like this. We're just like actually mulching. I got a guy that's going to come in behind me. He's going to clean all this up, make sure the beds is all nice and raked out. So got some cool shapes on some things right there. And that's about it. I'm right around here, so stay tuned and ride this wave, guys.
Yo, what up, Wavegang? It's coming to you live. We're getting it done right now. This job is not going to defeat us.
Not at all.
We got this. So we got about 8 more trees we got to put in, and we're going to start mulching. We got 20 boxwoods that are going to wrap that. It's actually
Ron.
Wavegang. Okay. Other than that, we're going to be out of here in the next 3 hours. Tops. Let's go.
Ride this way.
Yo, what up, Wavegang? Is coming to you live. My man Ron right there putting that plastic edging or metal edging in. Look at our trees. Look at our tree. Oh, ew! Look at T. Look at.
Well, we're getting there. These beautiful art we got placed up. Oh, sorry about that. This is a new machine. Nah, man, we getting it, baby. We getting it. Living a dream. Hope y'all having fun. Y'all riding this way. Stay along with us. Got my man Ken on the camera.
What's up?
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Got Chucho over there.
Chucho. Damn.
Oh, or we get a TV deal.
Let's get it. All right, guys. Wavegang. Alrighty guys, coming to you live. My man T, Ron, doing it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's a wrap right here, almost. We are mulching right now, finishing up this long bed. I'm gonna rake it out, I'm cleaning it up, I'm gonna get her done. Let's do a little time lapse real quick, and we out here. Look at that long bed. Alright, Wavegang. Yo, Wavegang, it's coming to you live. We did this. Is that working?
Yes, sir.
Check it out what T and Ron did. They trimmed, they did this thing, they did that thing, they did this thing. That light is working. I thought it wasn't, but we in there. Let's go.
Back, hat to the back, go to the back, hat to the back. This was a fun one, guys. We ran into a couple of root problems during this back bed, but that dingo got it done for us.
The auger was a little odd, but learning curve.
Nice, nice bed right here. Nice bed.
All right, wait, guys, look at it. Ooh, this is so nice, right? What do we do? Over here, over here, over here. Lime lights.
Got some lime lights right here.
Boxwoods, metal edging, modern side.
We got some more boxes over here. We got some big arbs to create a nice privacy hedge.
And that's it, that's a wrap. Stay tuned.
Wavegang.